Construction business involves labor, material, technology. Managing them along with timely completion and quality assurance becomes tough. Monitoring the activities, documentation and sharing the progress is tiring. Presenting Optic View, our specially developed camera system captures high-quality images at regular intervals. These are immediately uploaded to our cloud-based server network and can be accessed by authorized personnel. Here are some features that offer convenience like never before. Archived images. Access any photo captured till date from calendar view. Photo comparison. Show site progress by comparing photos of two different instances. Photo annotation and image sharing. Something's not right? Mark up the photo, highlight the issue and send it across. Auto email. Receive email alerts at pre-configured time. Time-lapse video. View the entire construction progress in few minutes. Multiple camera view. Select any camera from drop-down and watch all the sites on single platform. Mobile app feature. Capture, edit and upload. Share mobile photos with everyone on web. With amazing advantages like effective coordination, 24/7 live updates, timely documentation, time-lapse videos, safety against theft, visual evidence to settle disputes and manpower check, construction business can now be carried on seamlessly. Optic View. Inspect distant sites closely.